Hey guys, this is Alex with Doran. Today I'm going to show you how to properly torque our 3607 OTR sensor on a piece of equipment. So first step in properly applying our 3607 sensor, you're going to take a rag. What you want to do is you want to take off anything covering the valve stem. You're going to properly clean. You're going to make sure that there's no dirt, nothing going on inside. After the valve stem is properly cleaned, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a valve core tool and you're going to press on the valve core to make sure that there is no liquid inside the valve stem. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to take our 3607 sensor for OTR equipment. You're going to hand thread until you hear a burst of air. Once you hear that, you're going to hand tight past that and then 1/4 turn. After you have the 3607 sensor properly hand tightened and quarter snugged, what you're going to want to do is take our brand new Doran Torque Tool. You're going to activate it and make sure that it is at the proper spec of 1 Newton meter. After making sure that the settings are properly to the spec of 1 Newton meter for our 3607 sensor, we're going to properly apply it and we're going to torque it to spec. And that is how you properly torque our 3607 sensor with our brand new Doran Torque Tool.